cake mix and my chocolate pudding. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is mix my pudding and my cake mix, sort of. Right now I've got my milk. All right, then we're gonna take our butter and we're going to pour it all over the top. And sprinkle our chocolate chips. Yeah, I'm gonna throw this in the oven and bake it for a dark pan, do 25 degrees lower. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. All right, here is the cake out of the oven. So I think this is more like a rich brownie. Yeah, call it a dump cake, but I'm not really into dump cakes. Maybe I should do a series of dump cakes and try them and see what I think. That looks really good. Oh, okay. That is definitely a 10 out of 10.